Hello everyone! I'm going to show you a very easy and very cheap way to make your orchids bloom like that all year long. All we need is jar like that one or any other jars and garlic and of course some water. I'm using water from my sink because my water very soft. We're going to fill the jar with the cold water. All done. Now we just have to cut our garlic. And then I like to press on it just like this. We put garlic into the water and covering it with a lid, just like that. And putting it in a warm place for 24 hours. 24 hours later, our garlic water is ready. We just have to get rid of garlic itself and water our beautiful, beautiful orchids. I like to water my orchids every 2 weeks, and at least once a month I like to do it with garlic water. Here you go. This is the secret. It's a very easy and very simple way to keep your orchids happy. Please share your orchid secrets under this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Happy orchids, everyone!